Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to view and delete your incognito mode history. If you find the video useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's move to my mobile screen. The first thing you need to do is open Google or Chrome app on your mobile and then type in the search bar what I am typing, Chrome//netinternals/#DNS. Then go ahead and navigate to that, and here, make sure that you are on the DNS option on the left side. You should know that your history is not saved in incognito mode, but here your DNS cache is automatically made. So we have to delete it only. So, to delete this, just click on Clear Host DNS 2 to 3 times, and then go back to the mobile home screen and do your work as before. Now, if you are curious about viewing your incognito mode history, in this, I want to say that if you're going to see incognito mode history on your mobile, then you would never see it, but you can see it on your laptop or PC.